Okay, so this is the Pixel 9, 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL. All of them plus the Pixel Watch 3, which will not see a major redesign at all, and the newer Pixel Fold are expected at a Pixel surprise launch event, which is also happening surprisingly very early on August 13th, confirmed by Google at 10 a.m. So what's the newer Pixel lineup is bringing to the table? The first thing it is bringing is actually a redesign. Only at the back you will see a major overhaul with a newer camera bar. Yes, there is still a camera bar just like every other Pixels, but it is not connected to the frame. It looks like a pill rather than a straight bar. And it looks more refreshing than ever. In these photos, you can see it and just looks really beautiful. And as you guys know, Pixel is also moving towards totally flat sides and curvy corners. The Pixel 8 and 9 Pro mostly looks more curvy in terms of the corners. They are much more curvier than the Galaxy S24 series or even the iPhone's lineup. Why Google is going that rounded, I don't know. But at the side, they are totally flat with the curved rounded edges, just like what Samsung or Apple is doing. But you might be confused by the third phone in this case. Now, the XL naming is coming back, but the Pixel 9 Pro is the new phone, not the 9 Pro XL, because it is replacing the Pixel 8 Pro. It's just the name is having the XL branding. The 9 Pro is actually a downscaled variant of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. In terms of screen size, the smaller Pixel 9 will come with a 6.03-inch screen, much smaller than the 6.2-inch screen of the Pixel 8. The tiny Pixel Pro is actually going to have a 6.1-inch to 6.2-inch display, and that's mostly because it will have much thinner bezels than the Pixel 9. Otherwise, the dimension-wise, they are similar. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has a similar dimension as the Pixel 8 Pro with the same 6.7-inch display with the same kind of thinner bezels. Now, in the display department, the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro currently offers 2000 nits of peak brightness and 2600 nits of peak brightness respectively. This is the same thing coming to the Pixel 9 models as well, but the 9 Pro will get the 2600 nits. Now, another thing that I want to mention are the colors. The Pixel 9 will come with the Jade, Obsidian, there is the Peony color, which is a pinkish gold color, and the Porcelain color, the white one. The Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL will come with only 4 colors: Hazel, Obsidian, Porcelain, and Rose. Kind of similar colors, but the tones are different. The Pixel Fold will be called Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and that will come in 2 colors, Obsidian and Porcelain, or also referred as gold, kind of gold. As much we have heard that the Pixel 9 Pro or the 9 Pro XL or the 9 will not see any changes in the camera sensor department. They're gonna feature the same exact camera setup as the current models. For example, the current 8 Pro offers a 50 megapixel f1.7 1/1.31-inch sensor, identical to the Pixel 8. The similar thing gonna happen with the Pixel 9, 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL. There is gonna be a 48 megapixel f2.8 1/2.55-inch sensor as the teleporter camera, the 5x teleporter camera, on both the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL, so you're not missing out on the smaller device, and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with f2.0 aperture. And at the front, all of them will have the 10.5 megapixel camera as selfie camera. Then the cheap upgrade, the Tensor G4 chipset. Now, if you're thinking whether Tensor G4 is made by Samsung or TSMC, well, the Tensor G5 coming next year is going to be manufactured by TSMC, and we have a proof of that. But the Tensor G4 is made by Samsung, and we have recently spotted the Pixel 9 Pro XL with the Tensor G4 on Geekbench with about 16 gigabytes of RAM. But the Pixel 9 will start with 8 gigabytes, so don't get confused with that. In terms of core cluster, it's going to be 1 plus 3 plus 4 setup compared to 1 plus 4 plus 4 in the Tensor G3. In this case, it has one Prime Cortex X4 core running at 3.1 GHz, 4 Cortex A720 performance cores running at 2.6 GHz, and 4 Cortex A520 power efficient cores clocked at 1.95 GHz, and Mali G715 GPU. And the Pixel 9 also arrived with the same thing. And the scores are a little different though. In the Pixel 9 Pro XL, it shows 1950 single core score and 4655 in the multi-core score department. Now, this is not the best score, but these are still prototype devices. And on top of that, Google is not focused on the raw performance. Rather, they are mostly focused on NPU and TPU capabilities. So that's the thing. The AnTuTu benchmark scores are here as well. And this is from someone who actually got the units of the Pixel 9, 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL. This is crazy. it shows 1 million for the Pixel 9, 1.14 million for the Pixel 9 Pro, and 1.17 million on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. For reference, the S24 Ultra with the same Cortex X4 core scored 1.7 million, while the S23 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset scored somewhere around 1.17 million or so. So you get the idea of the score, like what you can expect from them in terms of performance. Other than that, we don't know about the battery or charging, but they are pretty much rumored to be very similar. For example, the Pixel 8 has 4575 mAh battery and 5000 for the Pixel 8 Pro. So that's going to be very similar with the Pixel 9 Pro and the 9 Pro XL. And the same kind of thing can be said about the pricing. The Pixel 8 starts at $699 if you don't know, and Pixel 8 Pro starts at $999. So unless Google tries to push the Pixel 9 Pro XL towards the $1,000 price tag, we can expect the similar pricing for the Pixel 9 models as well. Pixel 9 Pro, the smaller one, might cost somewhere like $849 or $899. So that's probably it. Let me know about your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you going to upgrade to the Pixel 9 models, or you're probably going to buy a Pixel 8 or 8 Pro for a much cheaper price? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website, a link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.